Hi vlog. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shamim, and guys, I'm very happy to see you. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. So guys, today, guess what? Today we are now on. Yeah, we are now at had this trip, and we went to pick the tea. So this is where we are going. We are already there. I'm sorry I didn't forget. I was somehow in a rush. They told us we are supposed to move around 8 8:10. I was on time, like I wanted to be on time, so I skipped the vlogging before we came here. But before we start having other things, I just decided to show you guys and to tell you guys what is going on. Okay guys, so we're going to do this tea picking, and yeah, I'm hoping for the best, and I'm sure you're going to get what we are looking for. Are you guys ready? So guys, let's go, and let's hope for the best. Let's see how we are going to get this kind of experience. It's my first time trying this. I'm from a country that have a lot of tea, but I've never tried this tea picking experience. This is my first time, and I'm really sure, like, what about you guys? Have you ever had this kind of experience? If yes, write down in the comment section, tell us about your experience. Me, I'm sharing mine here with you guys, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. I hope everything is going to be done with the signing. Yeah, waiting for the next thing. Yeah. Okay. Guys, if you have ever been to somewhere where they do Rwanda tea, is it like this? So nice. Tell me, did you get the tea you wanted? I like the views when it's like this. I think the place is like this. We are done with the tea here. My tea. Yeah, we're done with picking tea, so we are going for another activity for making them, like process them. So let's see how many cup I've got. So it's not that a lot. I want you guys to see. I don't know if you can see. It's not really a lot, but it's not even if you compare to what my friends took here. Okay, so let's go for another activity. I like
这是几斤吗？
再炒出来应该再炒出来有多少？
炒出来可能没有，把水给炒没了。
3、4斤炒一斤啊？
大概10斤左右吧，一般人家10斤左右。
它这个炒出来都是绿茶，这个发酵过的才会有。
发酵过的。
What's up, guys? I hope you are doing well. Yeah, we are now done with our tea picking up, like, experiments. It was nice, but the sad story, guys. We couldn't do the tea. They said like there is no time, so they give us like finished tea so that we can take it home and cook it. Yeah, and so that we can use it, but I don't know how I'm going to use it. I'm going to just boil it, and yeah, so see you when I'm already home. I have got a lot of things to catch up, schoolwork. I say that I even want to do my nails. It's not that easy today, like, but they are not looking good. I want them to look better. So see you when you're already at home. Like, yeah, now it's early. It's now like almost like 10:30. No, 11, like almost 11, but I think we're going to make it. See you when you're already in the house. Guys, I just got home. I'm a little bit I'm somehow hungry, so I decided to take some pineapple, and I decided to change my plan. I'm no longer doing the nails because I'm kind of like busy. My teacher sent me a lot of schoolwork to finish with, so, and the defense is around the corner, so I have to try and finish everything on time before time catches me. So I'm no longer doing my nail. I have to make sure I finish the schoolwork first. School comes first. Yeah, we will stay after. So here I'm doing my project, trying to work on my defense paper. So this is what I'm doing, and it's kind of not easy, but I'm trying my best to finish it. Guys, it's been long, right? I've been done cooking. I went to the gym. I didn't have like a way to just speak to you, but I put the footage in the blog. So yeah, now I'm going to do my night routine. After doing that, I'm going to shower, clean myself, then eat. After eating, I do my nails, then I sleep. So we are going to get that. Okay, guys, and yeah, I feel somehow refreshed when I'm done cooking. Like when I'm done cooking and doing the things, I really feel so good. By the way, some package came, so let's see what came today. Something came, and I want to open here. I got like 1, 2. I got 3. One, I opened it already. I won't share with you. I'll keep it to myself. But what? I didn't buy these shoes. Guys, they sent me the shoes that I didn't buy.
No, come on, my friend. I said open the gate. Chief, is it the
but the shoes really look nice, and it's from a very nice brand. But I didn't buy these shoes.
Okay, Chief, let me rush out.
They are from Bershka. Do you guys know this brand?
Okay, don't tell me you're scared. Have you forgotten about 3 million and the trailer?
Yeah, they're from Bershka. I don't know if you know the Bershka brand, but I didn't buy these shoes. I bought another shoes. It's in which color? But not this one. But I don't know how they sent me this one. Damn. What kind of seller is this one? I was even shocked how small they were looking. But is this my size though? Because I can see it look like 39 baht. It's look big. It's look like a big 39, but I can't fit. I'm not sure if I can fit. Let me just try. The nice thing is, even though I didn't buy these shoes, I like it. guess what? Your girl is not refining anything. I'm not going to refine it. I'll keep them, and then I'll buy the shoes that I had bought before. I buy it again. It's their mistake. I don't know what to do, because if I refined it, either it's going to cost me money. The best things to do now is to buy that shoes again, the one that I wanted. Buy it again and test the seller, like, I want these shoes, make sure you send me this one. This one I like it, and for the fact that it's summer. But yeah, these are the shoes from Bershka. Yeah, I can see, I think here you can see well, like, Bershka. I don't know why the focus of these phone, they're from Bershka, just not these are the brand. And I also got this one. I think these are my gym things. Which size is this? I think this size is too small for me. Next time when I go, because the other package that I opened, it was also a tight for like a gym tight. These are the tights, like gym tight, the one that I'll be wearing for my gym. You know, this year we need to work out, you know. Yeah, this is the tight, and the top 1, 4, yeah, this top, I think they are good to go with me. Yeah, I don't know how this one's there. Okay, it's the exact thing that I ordered, and I like the material, everything is good here. Good to go. The last one, for the look of everything, I'm not impressed. Yeah, just to look the way it looks, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed by this color. This one is a dress. It's a dress with this kind. Guys, I straight, I have a lot of things with this kind of arms, like, I don't know, I like dress that have like big yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I'm not impressed, guys, and I don't have anything to do with them. They just come, they liked, but it's okay. Even though it's okay, it's a light pink, right? This color, it's not a pink. It's, I feel like it's a light pink. Yeah, they are so nice, and I'm not really that impressed with the dress, but I'm impressed with the shoes first of all. Even though they give me the wrong one, even if they give me the wrong shoe, but I'm kinda impressed. And the gym things, the gym set, I'm also impressed by that. What else? So guys, let's go to my routine. So guys, after showering, I had to go back to finish up some of my like finals. This is my finals, like I'm trying to finish my assignments. Like no, I'm trying to finish my defense things. Like I'm trying to prepare my defense paper and make sure like everything is well done and everything is on point. I had something that I was correcting, like yeah, so that like the next day I want to go to paint my book, so I had to finish up something that my teacher told me to correct and finish them up. So yeah, I'm correcting them like as up. So yeah, trying to make sure like I'm doing everything on time. Guys, I was so tired then, but at that same thing I was so hungry, so I had to go and get some food. I'm eating same time I'm doing my things. So yeah, when I'm thinking, that's happy eating and writing, eating and writing. Yeah, so guys, this is the end of this vlog, and then be with me. So see you another time, and remember to subscribe, like and share.